Hey, you two, y'all already know who it is, man. It's a kid, road on the boy. It's a different video. I'm just here showing y'all the scenery, you know what I mean? We gonna probably add in a few photographs too that I took as well. You know, I'm over here in Kentucky, you know what I mean? What is the place called? Natural Bridge, somewhere along those lines. You know what I mean? Me just give y'all a little bit of the scenery, you know what I mean? Y'all thinking about getting y'all CDL coming out here. You know, this is the type of things that y'all can see, you know what I mean? Hope y'all like the camera. I got a lens on there. I got a fisheye lens on there right now. You know, it makes it look kind of cool, you know what I mean? Hope y'all see right quick, you feel me? I got a little train thingy over there. I was over there earlier, you know, you see where them kids at. And yay, here goes Snow Bunny Becky right here, you know, part next to our first fleet driver. I'm doing a regen right now because I was sitting for probably like about 2 days or so, you know, over the weekend. And of course I idle my truck. I have to. It's freezing cold out here, and you know, when you do that, it tends to make you have to regen if you're not per se driving. You know what I mean? You're sitting for like 2-3 days. Your truck might kick in the high rev and needs a regen, you know what I mean? But hey, y'all check out the scenery, man. This is the type of things y'all see when y'all come out here, get y'all CDL. Yes, the money is good, you can make good money and stuff, you know what I mean? But hey, there's more to life than just money, man, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's just my opinion, though. I could be wrong. Other people might think otherwise, but I'm trying to get this thing here to focus for y'all. But y'all see, beautiful day, you know what I mean? Nice and warm out here, you know. They have some houses. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all probably can't see. There's some houses over there in that direction where I'm pointing the camera at right now, behind those trees up there in the hills and stuff. And I believe there's like a little river or lake or something down here. I'm not too sure. I believe so. No, not really. Nah, it's looks like it's dried up. I see the channel where water used to run to, but I guess it's dried up. Yeah, man, y'all get y'all CDL, man. Come out here and come experience some of the scenery, man. You know what I mean? A lot of people might go through life and never see stuff like this, you know, and people might argue and say, oh, I don't have to get a CDL to do this, I just go on a road trip. You're absolutely right, you know what I mean? But certain places where we go as truck drivers, regular person will never ever take those roads, you know what I mean? Unless you live in that particular state and you know of these type of places, you know what I mean? Otherwise than that, then you won't be able to come out here and experience this, you know what I mean? So CDL hashtag 2019 CDL. You know, I was talking to one of my partners yesterday, and I was telling him about how there's a shortage of drivers in the industry right now. Even I was reading an article, it said like even Walmart pretty much dropped their standard on their hiring on the hiring basis, you know what I mean, just because there's such a shortage of drivers, you know what I mean? So when there's a shortage of things, and no matter what, this is simple economics, when there's a shortage of things, the prices tend to go up. I'm not sure if they're gonna raise CDL pay. They might, you know, because they need more drivers, so they might do that to attract more people into the industry. But for the most part, you know, you come out here, you do what you need to do, get that first year in, and you just go from there, you know what I mean? So yeah, y'all just take it in, man. Y'all look, see what's going on, man. This is how we living out here as truck drivers, you know what I mean? We living the good life, boy. It's like I'm on vacation right now. Hey, this shit crazy, boy. Yeah, man. Y'all look at that, man. Y'all check it out, man. Trust me, y'all would want to see this in person. You know what I mean? It's more, I know y'all might get a surreal effect from watching it through the video, but in person it's beautiful, man. You know what I mean? Just seeing nature at its finest. You know what I mean? Looking at these here steep slopes in front of me, you know, I think I seen a like a cliff somewhere. I think they have like a bridge out here you could climb or something. I don't know where it's. I should go ask them, but I'll probably do that because I don't know how long I'm gonna be here for. I'll probably go do that, go find that bridge and climb it. You know what I mean? It's like a attraction out here in the state of Kentucky. You know what I mean? So yeah, I don't know what kind of trees these are in front of me, but yeah. But yeah, man, just a quick scenery for y'all, you know, so y'all can see what's going on. You know, y'all know I'm about to get the hell out of the jams. You know, so yeah, clear blue skies, no snow over here on the East Coast. But y'all already know who it is, man. It's a kid. Roadrunner saying, hey, any day above ground is a good day, boy. You have the opportunity to change what happens tomorrow. However, you are 6'6" beneath the ground, my friends. And that's it. A wise man once said, the richest place in the world, that's in the graveyard. But that's where dreams and ideas go to die. Also remember, if there is no enemy within, then the enemy outside can do you no harm. Y'all stay up, stay safe out there, man. It's a kid. Roadrunner saying, hey, I'm gone.